Spell token for the day is down by 4.88%. We can see the trend for this if we have a quick look on the 1-day chart. We're having that big rocket up and then coming down to really lower than where we initially started off. So yeah, we're dropping today. Want to talk about that. Want to talk about the long-term trend that we are seeing now. Leave a like on the video and subscribe if you haven't already done so, because it is of course Christmas Eve and we are still publishing content. More and more will be coming out in the next couple of days, but yeah, if you can, leave a like and subscribe. Now remember, this is not financial advice, it's only my opinion, and we are only highlighting the levels that I see, so do not take it too seriously, as it is only what I believe to be the case. Now, on the 1 day, you will see that trend, as I mentioned. Not get into that one too much on this simple chart, but yeah, big rise up, followed by that drop down initially. So from there into the 7 day, you will see we are still climbing up big, which is fantastic, managing to remain above the level of 22 cent, which is, or at least 22 I should say, so 0.22. That's a good thing. We want to remain above that, so I'm happy to see it. And the question is now, where are we going to go? Are we going to be able to manage to land that support, or are we going to drop lower? Well, the first thing that I want to talk about is the pattern that we are seeing in the past month. Big recovery now that we are seeing over here. We initially had that drop down, you will see, but now we're coming back from that, which is really good, and we're going on to actually see another rise with this one. So when we see a day today down by about 4%, put it into perspective in the past week, in the past month, it doesn't look so bad anymore, does it? In a matter of about 10 days, we've rocketed all the way up from this really low price of about 12, you will see, up to this high around the point of 26. So big gains have been made, and when this happens, it is almost inevitable, in my opinion, that we are going to see some sort of sell-off action, and that is not a bad thing. I think when we see a bit of a sell-off after such a big rise, it allows us to kind of level out a little bit and, you know, go on to see some more rises in the future. So what we're looking for now is we're looking to break above this level of what I'm going to say is about 23.3. Now, we're in the process of breaking above that level right now, you will see, but the question is, can we break above it and consolidate above it? We found a bottom there in the past, so hopefully we can get above it, and whilst we are currently trying to push above that level, you will see, the question is, can we actually find that consolidation there? And that is obviously going to be found out in the next couple of hours and the next couple of days, so we're looking to break above that and consolidate up there. Now, the 5-day chart, you will see the bottom that I would say that we're looking for is something that I kind of highlighted previously, and this is going to be our level of about 230. So the reason why I picked this level is because it has worked favourably for us many times in the past. Initially, it was a resistance level in this period, but for here and for here as well, you will see we had a bit of a support at that level. So yeah, it could be the case here again. I think we're not too far away from that. Find a bottom there, bounce up again, and we're in a good place. But when we see a day like this dropping by about 5%, you know, depending on which chart you look at, I do not think it is bad at all. If we were not able to hold that support and even were to drop a bit lower, I wouldn't be too worried by that at this stage, because we are up so much. When we go up, it's highly likely at some point we're going to come down, and the higher that we go up, all it means is the faster we're going to come down, because people will get scared if they bought in at the top. Now, when we see a drop, it doesn't mean that this one isn't going to go on to do well in the short to mid term. Of course it can do, maybe even in the long term, but a drop now and again is just a symbol of people taking profits, and healthy profit taking, in my opinion, is something that we should see, because if we don't, we're just going to have these big rises up, and the first sign of bad news, or the first sign of somebody selling, everybody's going to panic to get out. This allows people who want to load up to load at the dips. It allows people who want to get out as well. So I'm fairly happy with it, not too disappointed. Again, it's just my opinion, but I hope you did enjoy the video. So thank you for seeing it, thank you for watching it, see you all again. So thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further, we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks, including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes, and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.